This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another setup video for you guys. This time we have MacBook Neo, the latest version of Mac. This is 512 gigabytes of version with fingerprint scanner, pink in color. So I'm gonna do a setup. Whenever I start your Mac, you will come to this screen. First of all, you have to choose your language. Here is Spanish. Whenever
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
So you click, they will talk. The AI will talk. I hit English UK here. Then I hit next button. Okay, now you choose the country where you are at the moment. I'm living in Spain. So hit continue button to your country. For Mac, now is the important part. You can transfer your data from another Mac, okay, from a Windows computer setup with your phone or iPad. So depend as you want setup as a new also you can do. I have iPhone 17 Pro Max. If I want, I can do the setup directly. So I'm gonna set up this one with my iPhone or iPad. I hit this one. I hit continue button. That will be easy. Looking for nearby device. My iPhone here, you see, now we'll continue to the phone. This is one of the most easiest way you can do that, sets up a new Mac. So I hit continue button here. And we have to scan, you see, we have to scan this code. It will take input sources. Everything looks good. Hit continue button here. Not now. You have to put the password of our internet here. Let's see. It's connecting. Meanwhile, my phone is also working. So I put the phone here nearby. I hit continue button. My name appear is very easy when you connect. You have to put a password to connect. So I will put similar password. I hit continue button in this case. Let's see. Apple makes this thing very easy. So connect with your Mac. You don't need to create any new Apple ID. With the same setup, you can do that. If you don't know how to make an Apple ID, if you don't have Apple ID, check the video description. I have tons of video how to make Apple ID on Mac, on Windows, on iPhone or every device. Many video on that. So we are continue to the process. You see Apple setup is getting ready. We have to wait a little bit, but this will be more faster than you create everything new. So I have read term and condition. Hit agree on that. My name appear, my photo as well, Harry Jeffrey in this case. And the time also appear here at the corner. No pop-up time, but it will fix. Now find my, here I hit continue button. Here my phone, you see transfer completed. Every data is there. Okay, location, service, other things if you want. Customize, match setting, I leave as it is. Apple Intelligence, if you want to do Apple AID, yes or not, depends on you. I hit skip. Then Touch ID you can set up now, you can do later. Set up Touch ID later. Hit continue. Apple Pay option, I put set up later. Put your card, anything if you want to buy or sell. You can see welcome screen and we continue. We have to wait, it's loading. We hit get it started. Wow, beautiful looking MacBook here. Almost the same as any other Mac. So I'm gonna open Safari. Here we go. All my information I think is imported. I hit YouTube. Here I will put a 4K video here, 4K nature. Here they're saying one device is connected to my account. Hit OK there. That's all. Here you can click done button. It's done. And we can put 4K wall video at some advertisement because it's not connected to
Introducing the
any
Hue Band 2.0,
account.
the world's first longevity band.
Beautiful display. You see here, magnificent. Nice. Sound quality is very vibrant and realistic in this case. So this is the way you can set up your MacBook Neo for the first time via your phone or without your phone by creating a new Apple ID. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.